Hello, students. Welcome to English class. In today's English class, we are going to do a poem which is How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. It's on page number 79 of your Gulmohar book. Please open to page number 79. Okay. This poem, How the Little Kite Learned to Fly, is written by Catherine Pyle. Catherine Pyle is an American poet and a children's book writer. She wrote her first poem when she was 16 years old. Okay, Catherine Pyle wrote her first poem when she was 16 years old. Okay, so let's begin with our poem today. Before that, please tell me how many of you know how to ride a bicycle? How many of you know how to ride a bicycle? Most of you know how to ride a bicycle, right? I'm sure that somebody at home would have taught you how to ride a bicycle, right? Maybe your father, mother, brother, sister, or a good friend would have taught you, right? Before you knew how to ride, I'm sure you all were very scared, right? कि आप लोग गिर जाओगे, कुछ चोट लग जाएगा, बैलेंस नहीं मिलेगा, right? You would have fallen down so many times, but you were very scared, right? Once you learned how to ride a bicycle, you all were happy, right? In the same way, in this poem, a little kite is learning how to fly. Okay, let's see what happens in the poem. A very nice poem by Catherine Pyle. How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. Let's first read stanza by stanza and then I will explain it to you. Okay. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try. Or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I'm afraid I will fall. Okay, so kids, what is happening? A little kite is going to fly for the very first time and it is very scared. Okay, it is saying the first sentence is said by the little kite. I never can do it. मुझसे कभी नहीं हो पाएगा, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. When he saw up the sky, he could see that there were many kites which were flying. Only the big kite and the little kite were down, and the rest of the kites were flying in the sky. I know I should fall if I try to fly. Like जैसे आप लोग बोलते हो ना बाइसाइकिल चलाते वक्त, नहीं नहीं अगर आप मुझे छोड़ दोगे तो मैं गिर जाऊंगा ऐसे. The same way the kite is saying, if I fly, if I try to fly, I will fall. Okay. Now the big kite is saying, try, said the big kite. Only try. Okay, तुम बस try करो. Or I fear you never will learn at all. अगर तुम try नहीं करोगे तो तुम कभी नहीं सीखोगे. What is the big kite saying? The big kite is saying, only try, or you will never learn. तुम कभी नहीं सीखोगे try किए बिना. Okay. But even after saying so much, the little kite is saying, but the little kite said, I'm afraid I will fall. इतना सब समझाने के बाद भी the little kite is saying, I'm afraid I will fall. Okay. So the big kite tried to encourage the small kite, the little kite, to fly, but still the kite is saying, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है कि मैं गिर जाऊंगा. Okay. I'm afraid I will fall. Let's see what happens in the second stanza. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye. I'm off. And he rose toward the tranquil sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. First whirling and frightened, then braver grown. Up, up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite, looking down, could see the little one rising steadily. Okay, so what happened? The big kite nodded. Nodded का meaning क्या है? ऐसे हिलाना, हेड को ऐसे हिलाते हैं ना, ओके ओके ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, उसको हम nodded बोलते हैं. Nodded means ऐसे हेड को हिलाना. तो काइट ऐसे हिल के बोला, ओके वेल गुड बाय बोल के the big kite took off. Okay, and he rose toward the tranquil sky. What is tranquil sky? Tranquil sky means peaceful sky. The meaning of tranquil is peaceful. एकदम शांति. Sky एकदम शांत था उस दिन. Okay, and the big kite said bye bye and it flew. Okay, and what is the meaning of rose here? R-O-S-E, rose. Rose is the past tense of rise. R-I-S-E means ऊपर जाना. Rise means ऊपर जाना. Rose is the past tense of rise. Please remember this. So now what happened? The big kite flew, and who is alone here? This little kite is alone. So the little kite's paper stirred at the sight. ये देख के कि वो alone है, उसका paper ऐसे हिलने लगा. Stirred means to shake. Okay, it was scared, that's why it is shaking. Stirred at the sight and trembling. Trembling means to shiver होना. And shook himself free for flight. अभी लिटिल काइट के पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. सारे काइट्स स्काई में हैं, इंक्लूडिंग इट्स फ्रेंड द बिग काइट इज इन द स्काई. अभी लिटिल काइट के पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. इट वाज वेरी स्कैर्ड. इट वाज शेकिंग एंड ट्रेम्बलिंग, बट इट somehow took some courage and flew. Okay, initially at first whirling and frightened. Whirling का मतलब क्या है? Whirling मतलब ऐसे गोल गोल घूमना. If you people have seen, you can see the kites, initially they just go round and then उसके बाद थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो सीधा जाता है. Initially when you try to fly a kite, it will go round and round. वो round movement को हम बोलते हैं whirling. Okay, frightened means scared. Okay, first जब ये little kite उड़ने लगा, first it was going round and because it was frightened. After some time, थोड़ी देर के बाद वो brave बना. Okay, then braver grown means थोड़े टाइम के बाद उसको थोड़ा सा courage मिला. Okay, up he rose through the air alone. तो अभी brave बन गया, अभी थोड़ा बहुत हिम्मत हुआ, तो और ऊपर जाने लगा. Okay, and it was flying straight and steady. Now the big kite, which was already in the sky, it just looked down. देखते हैं ये little kite क्या कर रहा है. ऐसे देखने से the big kite could see the little one rising steadily. The big kite ने ऐसे नीचे देखा तो ये little kite was flying steadily. ऐसे गोल गोल नहीं घूम रहा था, but he was flying steadily. Okay, so somehow the little kite learned how to fly. Okay, now let's see what happens in the third stanza. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side, while far below he could see the ground and the boys like small spots moving around. They rested high in the quiet air. Only the birds and clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. Okay, so finally our little kite learned how to fly. Okay, so what happened? Then how the little kite thrilled with pride. Thrilled with pride means was excited. एकदम अभी उड़ना सीख गया, मतलब वो बहुत excited था. Okay, and he was still thrilled with pride means very proud of itself. Okay, excited and proud. He sailed with the big kite side by side. Okay, अभी पहले क्या हो रहा था? The little kite was down and the big kite was top. Now what happened? The little kite flew and went side by side with the big kite. Big kite के आसपास, मतलब दोनों एकदम साथ में fly कर रहे थे, big kite and the little kite. While far below, अभी दोनों नीचे देख रहे हैं तो उनको क्या दिख रहा है? They can see the boys who were flying the kites were looking like small spots moving around. वो लोग इतने हाइट में जा चुके थे कि जो बॉयज नीचे खड़े थे ना, वो सब स्मॉल डॉट्स जैसे दिख रहे थे. ओके, दे रेस्टेड इन क्वाइट एयर. थोड़ा हाइट में जाके वो लोग वहीं पर फ्लाई कर रहे थे. ओके, और वहां पर कैसा था मौसम? एकदम शांत, क्वाइट एयर. And only the birds and clouds were there. These two kites, the big kites and the little kite, were flying with the birds and the clouds. Now the little kite is saying, "Oh, how happy I am, The little kite cried, "Oh, how happy! मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रहा है." And all because I was brave and tried. All this happened means the little kite could learn to fly only because it was brave, and it first point is it gave a try. उसने try किया है. So kids, what do you learn from this poem? You learn that no matter how difficult the task is, you will have to give it a try, right? Yes, you will have to give it a try. Hope you all enjoyed this poem. I want you to read this poem once and finish your assignment. We'll be doing the same in live class. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.